Hello and welcome to our series of tutorials. Today in this tutorial we are going to cover a very interesting post-processing effect called SSBevel, which stands for Screen Space Bevel. So let's get started. I've loaded a 3D model here, and what to notice about this model is edges of this model are very sharp. If you see these edges here, or these edges, without changing any geometry, something it's possible to kind of make them soft. Let's do that. So first of all, we will assign some materials to this. Let's load the metal library and also the gem library. For picking material library, let's assign regular. And to this one, let's assign different material gold white maybe. Let's make this a diamond first. So we have this now. Now it's very clear that the edges are very sharp. Let's make a little bit setting. And metal one. Okay, so we are ready to start the scene. So in order to enable SSBevel, first what you have to do is you have to go to configurators. Sorry, not configurators, to plugins, and enable SSBevel here. So that's the first step. Next step, first to select a part on which you want to enable SSBevel. Then in picking, go to the end and you have this SSBevel and enable it. Now you see there is a radius. Let's try to increase the radius. And as you can see, there is some softening here on the edges. So you can clearly see the difference. Let's see it here. Now let's notice that on this part, SSBevel is not applied, because you can apply SSBevel on individual materials. So, or can enable it here also, selecting. And now you have SSBevel applied here. Now note that this is SSBevel, which means Screen Space Bevel. It has its own limitations. It doesn't really alter the geometry. It only kind of changes the normals or the appearance, and that's why it can have some artifacts, or in certain cases it will appear to not work perfectly. So this is only an alternative to giving proper geometric changes where you soften your edges, but apart from that, in many cases, it can be a good solution. So as you can see, in this angle, you just can disable it completely from here and see the difference. See from various angles. So this way you can assign SSBevel and give softness to your very sharp edges without changing any geometry. Thanks for watching, and see you next time in another tutorial.